Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the ORDRO EP7, a vlogger-oriented 4K head-mounted camera that features a built-in 2-axis gimbal. In this video I'm going to go over its features and specs and see how it performs after mounting it on one of my racing drones. In terms of packaging, the EP7 camera comes inside this nice carrying case, and inside along with the camera you can find the user manual, a high-quality storage bag and a cleaning cloth, a USB to micro USB cable, a Toshiba 32GB micro SD card, a USB rechargeable remote controller that will enable you to start and stop the recording and capture photos, a band that will enable you to wear it on your wrist, and these accessories for mounting the camera on your head. As for its specs, the EP7 camera features a mechanical 2-axis gimbal and a CMOS sensor that is capable of recording up to 4K 60 frames per second videos, 2 microphones and a speaker. On its backside you can find a micro HDMI output port. On its bottom side, a micro SD card slot that supports up to 256GB micro SD cards and a micro USB port that will enable you to use the EP7 camera as a webcam after connecting it to your computer, transfer data from the micro SD card to your computer, and also charge the built-in battery. Powering on and off the camera is done by long pressing the power button. Capturing a photo is done by short pressing the camera button, and similarly, short pressing the video button is going to start or stop the recording procedure. In addition, the EP7 camera is water resistant and it features a built-in Wi-Fi module that will enable you to wirelessly configure the camera using a dedicated app. On its own, the camera weighs 54 grams, and including the accessories for mounting it on your head, the total weight is about 77 grams. In order to mount the ORDRO EP7 camera on your head, you'll need to use this provided accessory. First, you'll need to attach these two plastic parts. Then secure the camera and make sure that this plastic part is properly secured using this provided accessory. And finally, cover this plastic part using the provided rubber cover. Now you'll be able to mount the EP7 camera on your head in the following manner and capture pretty much whatever you are seeing. As for using the EP7 camera, in order to turn it on or off, you will need to long press the power button. Short pressing the power button is going to either turn on or off the Wi-Fi option.
Wi-Fi on. Wi-Fi off.
Short pressing the camera button is going to capture a photo.
Taking a picture.
And short pressing the video button is going to start the recording.
Start recording.
And also stop it.
Stop recording.
In order to configure the camera, you will need to install the ODCAM app on your mobile device, turn on the camera and enable Wi-Fi mode, connect your mobile device to the EP7 Wi-Fi network, launch the ODCAM application, and then, among other settings, you'll be able to set the resolution of the recorded videos and captured photos, capture a photo and start the recording of a video, and also transfer videos and photos from the camera to your mobile device. In order to use the EP7 camera as a webcam or access the contents of the micro SD card, you will need to connect it to your computer using a USB to micro USB cable. Then the camera is going to be turned on and you're going to be prompted to enter mass storage mode by pressing the video button and enter webcam mode by pressing the camera button. Now, as you can see, after entering mass storage mode, a new removable drive was discovered on my computer. And after entering webcam mode, the camera is simply recognized as a webcam without having the need to install any additional drivers, and you can use it as a video source. As for the quality of the camera, which is of course one of the most important aspects, here you can see a quick recording of my not very organized room. The quality of the audio is pretty good, and the video is okay as well, especially when there is enough light. Here is another recording from the beach on a sunny day. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the ORDRO EP7 camera and the GoPro Hero 8. Both cameras' resolution is set to 4K 60 frames per second and the hypersmooth feature of the GoPro camera is turned on. As you can see, the mechanical gimbal of the EP7 camera works well and the video quality is pretty adequate. However, the EP7 camera is not intended to be used under dark conditions. Finally, as promised in the beginning of the video, I also tested the EP7 camera on one of my drones, and as you can see, the mechanical 2-axis gimbal couldn't handle vibrations, so the flight footage is pretty much unusable. Overall, after testing the EP7 camera, in my opinion, it will provide you with a good solution in case you need to capture your point of view. According to my test, it will provide you with about 3 hours of continuous usage, its build quality is good, and it's very easy and convenient to use. As for the 2-axis gimbal, which is a quite unique feature, and is actually the reason I decided to test this camera, although it cannot handle the vibrations of a racing drone, it does seem to fulfill its purpose. Anyway, that's going to be it for my quick review of the ORDRO EP7 camera. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.